right at the weight limit for this little thing. Yeah. Seems to work just fine. We gotta just make sure that it's, you know, fun enough. Good morning, big kids. Oh my god, stretch my legs. Oh, jumping out of a go-kart. Whew. We got a busy day today. That thing's all ready to rock and roll. That's awesome. Got some shipping to do. Bills are paid. No one likes to do that, but they're done and off the table. We got some service stuff that's going to get finished up or dialed in today. And Kevin and Zach have the shop looking pristine. So, let's see what the hell happens today. Alright, getting service all opened up, making some room in here so we can actually do some things. Small shop problems. Get the forklift warmed up, move all this stuff out of here. A lot of parts that we were waiting on came in, so going to be a good, hefty service day today. I'm thinking we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 5 machines that should be together and done and out of here very, very shortly. Got another couple machines that we're waiting on a few parts for, but other than that, service is looking awesome. Out on another test ride. Big old golf cart. Throttle sticks a bit, and this is pedal to the metal for a gasser. Should be hauling a little more ass. Might be exceeding the weight limit of this one too. I don't know. Special guest here today.
And then the headlight will come right out.
Nope.
And at that point, you should be able to see everything that you need to see it from
Just
there.
like old times.
So I would check either the connection at the resistors themselves, the wire coming in and coming out.
They lost me. Lost me at resistor.
If not, it'd be
Chain case and track going back in. We got Zach lollygagging, listing some fresh parts off the exciter, phaser, whatever the heck that thing is, that Kevin is tearing apart. Apparently Kevin got kicked out because now he's working outside. Kevin got the short straw. And I've got some Harley trike rims. We popped the tires off for JTS, one of JTS's customers. So, delivering these to get powder coated. And things are bumping pretty smooth at the shop today. That's what tire changes do. I did those Harley wheels and a quick bike tube today. There you go. So, go wash my hands. Got 20 of these in stock today. They're all for a big service job that we're anticipating. So, that's the teaser. We'll see what happens here. Another successful day at the shop, winding down the week this week. For what it was, man, I thought the week was really gonna suck. That heat spell, man, that really put a damper in things. But man, the rest of the week really picked up. This might be the first time. All right, maybe not the first time, but it's got to be the first time. This might be the first time that we've had someone part a sled while someone else takes pictures of those parts from that sled, getting ready for eBay, and then all of those parts are put away upstairs. So a sled came in today, went through the meat grinder, and into the inventory. So I'm going to get those parts listed over the next couple days. That's how it works, man. That's the dream. That's the textbook line, the chain of events that are supposed to happen to these snowmobiles and machines that come through the shop. So super happy with the team today. John's cranking through some service. We're going to end the week awesome, and I am super stoked for Friday. So yeah, I think that's it. Peace!